get messy.
All right, here we go.
Oh man.
Wow.
That cooked perfect.
David, that is delicious.
I know, it's
That
great.
is a keeper recipe right there, guys.
Yeah.
Write this one down, throw some comments down below. Check them out. This chicken is delicious. This is BBQ Jams. Okay. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna crank up the kettle grill over here. Gonna put in some of our charcoal. I'm gonna show you how I light it up. Real simple. So what I like to do is get your chimney going. You're gonna start up some tumbleweed here. Get that lit. And all you do is set this on top. Give that about 12 to 14 minutes. It's gonna light all the way through. You wanna make sure all of your coals are lit, and then we're gonna dump them into the kettle grill and get ready to start cooking up. So you guys hang tight. Welcome to BBQ Jams. We've got a great show for you guys tonight. So tonight we've got Steve Wheeler on guitar. We've got David Lee on bass, and we have Brett Norton on guitar as well, and myself, Will Bloomberg, playing drums. We're cooking up some barbecue chicken tonight. It's gonna be killer. We're gonna be cooking it on the Weber kettle, along with making up a homemade barbecue sauce we're gonna be putting on towards the end, attacking it up, and it's gonna be awesome, guys. You guys stay tuned. Here we go. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna grab some chicken real quick. Here we go. Hey, what's up, guys? We're grabbing some chicken, getting ready to throw them on the grill. You guys hang tight. And don't freeze to death. Okay, guys, here we go. We're gonna start off by patting the chicken dry, and we're gonna set it off to the side, and then we're gonna be putting in some duck fat for a binder, and we're gonna be putting on my all-purpose rub. So here we go. Guys, we're all dried off here. We're gonna go ahead and grab this guy. We're gonna put some duck fat on here for a binder, both sides. And we're gonna be putting some of my OG all-purpose rub on here. All right, anyway, so here we go. Got this guy all seasoned up. We're gonna let it sit in here for about 10 minutes before we pop them on the grill. So anyway, a little duck fat. This seasoning I've come up with is working out really well. It's really pretty color too. It gives us really great color on this chicken with fish, pork. It's excellent. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get these all fixed up, and you guys hang out, hang tight, enjoy these jams. We're killing it over here tonight. Steve Wheeler's ripping. We've got David Lee slapping the bass, and myself, Will Bloomberg, and of course, Brett Norton also tearing it up on the guitar. So we'll catch you guys back here in a second. Here we go, guys. Set your coals in place. going to be doing an indirect cook tonight. All right. There they go. Pop the grate back on. Flip that over. All right. Now, gonna put your lid on top. We're gonna have this wide open on our vents, top and bottom, and we're gonna let this sucker rip. So as soon as this comes up to temp where we want to be, which is gonna be pretty much right away, we're gonna set all of our chicken on the other side. It's gonna be indirect, and we're gonna bring this up to about 180 degrees internal temp on the chicken. So you guys hang tight, enjoy these jams. We're killing it. We love this all the time. You guys love you too. Peace. Okay guys, we're all seasoned up, ready to hit the grill. Here we go. We're going to be turning these and checking on them periodically throughout this cook. But again, we're going to be looking for an internal temp of 180. So, 1 cup of ketchup. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. 1 cup of water. We'll do half a cup of mustard. 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. About 2 teaspoons of salt going in.
That's your Diamond Crystal kosher salt.
That is recommended by Jeff Crass. Thank you very much. 2 teaspoons.
Best salt to cook with.
Y'all. 2. Let me give this a mix, and we're going to put it on the burner for about 30 minutes, let it come up to temp, get it all happy and together, and then we're gonna be ready to start basting our chicken with this sauce when it gets all cooked up. So, all right, sit tight a little bit. You guys enjoy these jams. We're gonna catch you back here in just a little bit. All right, here we go, guys. Gonna sauce them up. Get a little saucy on there.
Oh man.
Baste. Hope you guys are enjoying the show, enjoying the episode, enjoying the jams. We're trying to get all this stuff out to you guys as much as we can. We're always trying to create new content every week. Oh my God. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right, guys, here we are. Look at that. Woo! That's some barbecue chicken for you, baby. Yeah. I got a good feeling about this, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying these jams. and following along this channel. It's always fun. We're having a good time over here, guys. All right, let's see how we turned out. All right, people. There we go. Beauty. Oh, it's gonna be so good. We're gonna give this about 10 minutes to cool off, maybe a little bit less. Anyway, we'll catch you guys back here in a little bit. All right, guys, here we go. Chicken's finished up. Looking beautiful, smelling amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and chop up some of these guys and then have the guys come over here and try them out with me. Starting off with Mr. David Lee. We're gonna have him come over and say what's up to you guys. All right, welcome to the show, by the way, David Lee. This is David Lee's suggestion for cooking tonight. We're doing some barbecue chicken from his recipe, so hopefully I've done it justice for you, sir. And by the way, I like that shirt you got there, man. Where'd you get that thing from?
I don't know, homeless guy gave me.
Homeless guy? Okay. Looks like the merch company may have hooked you up with that one. That's pretty cool.
I gotta warn any musicians thinking about participating in this, though. You do enough of them. I wore a medium when I started. And this is a 3X.
Hey, you're looking great, buddy. It's looking really good. Well, I hope, like I said, I hope I've done you well justice on this barbecue
It looks
chicken.
awesome.
Would you like the leg or the, you're gonna go for the thigh?
Yes.
Ready to go for it?
Both.
Both? All right, guys, I'm gonna put it on a plate for you.
Oh, thank
Let me know what you think. Check that out. Sorry, I got a little messed up
okay,
there.
man.
Throw that over there too.
Dig in and see what's what.
You know what? I'm gonna go into
Get messy.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, man.
Wow!
That's cooked perfect.
David. That is delicious.
I know, it's
That
great.
is the keeper recipe right there, guys.
Yeah.
Write this one down, throw some comments down below. Check them out. This chicken is delicious. This is really good. It's got a little bit of heat from that cayenne too. It's just excellent.
Just a little bit.
We're gonna go ahead and post the recipe for you guys also down below, so so you guys can stay in tune with what we're doing around here. But my God, man, that is really good.
Okay, I'm busy now.
Wow, David, thanks for jamming with us, buddy.
Oh,
We appreciate it,
always a
man.
pleasure.
All right. I'm not lying, guys. This is really freaking good. Wow. All right, I'm gonna set this down. I'm gonna set my plate over here. We're gonna bring in Brett Norton, who's gonna be playing some guitar for us tonight. Who was actually already playing guitars, if you guys already seen. What's up, dude?
Hey man, how are you?
How's it going?
It's going great.
All right, this has got a little bit of heat from that cayenne, but I think you're gonna love it.
All right. Now I blew a spicy fuse a while ago, so we'll see if I can pick it up.
All right, cool, man.
So we got tonight's band name is the Doomsday Prognosticators. Tonight's band, we're the Doomsday Prognosticators.
That sounds perfect to me, and especially after you get through eating some of this chicken. You're gonna love it.
He's got
All right,
this
whatever
list of
they
band
said.
names.
I
It's
don't
like 80 feet long. It's hysterical. So I said,
It is
our
really
band
good.
name tonight, man. So he can scratch one off the list.
Nice. Well, dude, check out the chicken. Tell me what you think, man. I got some
Don't get any
napkins out.
barbecue in that beard, okay?
Oh man.
I can't help it. It's gonna happen anyway. That's some damn good chicken, yo.
That's some damn good chicken. Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, man. Chicken cheers.
Cheers. Chicken cheers. Chicken cheers. Chicken cheers. That's a new thing. I've never heard of that. That's excellent.
We got a band name. We got Chicken Cheers. The beard has gotten bigger.
We're rocking it out, people.
And you're eating landing gear.
Oh yeah. Yes, exactly. Thank you, Steve. That's
Cool, man.
brother.
Appreciate you having me, dude.
Yeah, man. As always, take a plate, brother. Go for it.
All right.
Hey, Martine, you want to come in?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let me hook you up, brother. All right. We got Martine in here as always, helping out with the support. What's up, baby?
What up?
Hey, nice shirt, by the way. Yeah, I like
Like
that.
it?
That's nice.
This is the old one.
The old one, OG, huh?
The old one.
Nice.
Let me grab that.
Yeah, I'm gonna hook you up with both of these actually. Give that a shot and see what you think. Now it is a little spicy. I'm just giving you a pre-warning on that one, but you'll be fine.
You'd think he'd be able to handle it.
Yeah, I know. He'll be able to handle it. Aha! Ho, ho, ho.
Oh my god.
Not bad, huh? Hey, you gotta thank David Lee on
So
that one,
good.
man. This is a
Wow.
great suggestion.
Wow.
Great
Wow.
suggestion tonight. And thanks for being here
Excellent.
as always, brother.
Excellent.
And
Yeah, man.
you guys don't know this, but Martine over here likes to help out behind the scenes stuff. He helps with camera shooting, he helps with cooking, helping me with the grills, all that stuff. So it's always good having you here, buddy. I appreciate it.
Bit of
I
everything,
appreciate
man.
you, man. So the least I can do is feed you and, you know, hang out a little bit.
Incredible
So it's a good
food
time.
every time. Every time.
Well, thank you, sir. I appreciate
Incredible.
it.
Thank you.
Well, you're welcome. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, Steve Wheeler, I'm going to have you come in and say what's up if you want. I'm going to bring you a piece in a little bit later.
I'm coming to say what's up.
What's up, dude? How's it
And
going?
I busted Martin playing guitar.
You did?
Oh yeah.
Was
He's
there
playing
any good?
Queens. Oh yeah.
It was?
He's been hiding it.
Should we have
So
Martin
he's
on an
gonna
episode?
I'm on camera now. Calling you out. You're gonna have to do an episode. You can play some
Oh,
acoustic guitar.
no.
You're gonna play acoustic guitar.
I like
You're
that.
gonna pick the songs. You just work on them. You sit whenever you're ready. We'll slide you in it. Don't
There you go.
We'll
Hey, I
see,
like
we'll
that.
see.
This turned out awesome. Thank you, David Lee, for the
Oh, you're
suggestion. We are having a ball over here. I hope you guys are enjoying these jams. We're going to go back into the studio after we get through chowing on this and do a few more. And we're going to catch you guys next time. Hey, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Thank you so much for tuning in and liking and subscribing. As always, BBQ Chicken turned out amazing. Thank you very much, David Lee. And the guys here, we're always tearing up with some jams, so you guys get involved. Also, merch company. Guys, Derek Enter is killing it with these t-shirts. He is awesome. This guy's company is killer, themerchco.com. Check it out. Appreciate you guys. Much love. Peace. We actually were in the middle of a soccer field one time in a shipping container. Out in the middle of the summer with no AC. And we just had a plug.
Who's your this off?
Dude, it was so brutally hot.
Whose fault was that?
But it's all, yeah, it's all we could do.
The weirdest place I had
Bad decisions.
was a chicken
A chicken coop.
coop.
Wow.
We
poop.
we spent about 2 weeks cleaning it out, refurbing it, putting in insulation and drywall and stuff.
Ugh.
But we rehearsed in a chicken coop, and when it was a humid day, you could really check
Oh!
You can grow roses.
the ammonia and stuff.
Oh,
you know.
God.
Yeah.